Hello, I'm Trent Noasad with Case IH. Today we're pleased to introduce you to our new 550 series of precision disc drills. Today behind me I have a Precision Disc 550T, which is our new tank mounted drills available in 40 and 30 feet. We made a number of changes for our new 550 series drills. The first one is we've made some enhancements to the row unit, particularly on our closing system. We've added a new standard from the factory angle adjusting mechanism that gives you more consistency at closing that seed trench in tough conditions like no-till. Also for our 550T series, we've made some enhancements to our product tank. We've increased our capacity by 40 bushels on both the 30 and the 40-foot size. So we're now up to 140 bushels of capacity on our 40-foot size. That gives you a lot more productivity to get things done in the day. With that increase in capacity, it's also given us the opportunity to redesign the tank. So the tank has changed dramatically. We've been able to incorporate a drip edge to better channel rain away from the meters and providing better, less integration of moisture into that tank. We've also changed the lid. The tank styling has changed, so there's a lot more sloping surface. Product flows better. It also allows us to have improved access to not only our clean out ports but also our meter ports. Everything is much more open and accessible. We've also made some enhancements to our scale kits that are an optional order on our Precision Disc 550Ts. When you order scales now as an option, it comes standard with auto calibration. So that allows you to better fine-tune your rate while you're seeding in the field to get a higher level of accuracy. We've also added some interesting new kits or options, such as rear view cameras, as well as in-tank cameras for this drill. For more information, please visit your local Case IH dealer or go to caseih.com.
Hi, I'm Mark Burns, Marketing Manager for Case IH Application Equipment, and we're going to talk a little bit about the introduction of the Patriot 50 Series sprayer. A few of the things that we really want to touch on are the styling changes. Both the front and rear hood are redesigned, and it is a brand new look for Case IH, something you're going to see with future introductions of other products within the Case IH umbrella. But really focusing on some of the improvements. One is going to be inside the cab. We have an all-new cab with an all-new seat suspension, and a completely redesigned armrest. The contents and the layouts of that armrest really driven through customer interaction, where they kind of told us what features they wanted and where, and using that data is really what drove us to the end result in the layout that we currently have. Another significant change is going to be in the chassis suspension. An all-new 4-bar linkage that is also using an airbag as a dampening mechanism and providing the excellent ride quality that we're looking for. And making sure that we give operators the best ride that we possibly can. Transitioning from there, getting into some of our spray technology. We have a redesigned Aim Command Flex 2 system. So that's going to incorporate individual nozzle on-off control. They're actually higher flow rate NCVs, so up to 17% increase in flow over prior designs. Really help driving that productivity, being able to travel either faster or put out more product at a given speed. And then adding in a change into our operating frequency. This is now going to be a 20 hertz pulse, so basically we're pulsing those individual nozzles at 20 times a second to give us that constant flow rate as well as constant pressure, which means a consistent droplet size over a wide speed range. And then lastly, all of the Patriot 50 series are a connected vehicle. So every machine will come with 5 years of subscription to AFS Connect, providing that data collection point as well as the ability for remote display viewing, fleet management, all the wonderful things that come along with that technology. For more information, visit caseih.com or your local dealer.
Dave Brennan here with Case IH Planner Marketing Manager. I want to introduce you today to the newest member of the 2000 series family of early riser planners, the 2150S. So we're going to see the 2150S come in 5 frame configurations. We're going to see a 31 row, 15-inch machine, a 32-row 15-inch machine, a 24-row 20-inch machine, so that rounds out our 40-foot toolbar offerings. And then we step down to the 30-foot offerings in a 23-row 15-inch machine and a 24-row 15-inch machine. So behind me today you see the 32-row 40-foot offering in the 2150S. And we talk about highlights of the 2150S. We're going to see mechanical flexibility first, and we'll talk about the ground following capabilities we gain with 2150S. 15 degrees of wing flex down, 15 degrees of wing flex up. So that's really going to enhance that operator experience. It's going to enhance seed to soil contact when it comes to that more rolling, more rougher terrain that a lot of our growers deal with and have to experience. The second thing we talk about when we talk about flexibility is row unit travel. And that's important as well for customers that have that more rolling terrain. They're going to go down through draws, waterways, those types of things. That's going to really enhance, again, that seed to soil contact, seed placement. So in addition to mechanical flexibility, we've also got a bunch of things we can do with agronomic flexibility out of 2150S. And so we can convert this 15-inch planter easily from the cab to 30-inch row spacing. So for those customers that are making that game time decision in field to go wide row spacing, 30-inch, or narrow row spacing, 15-inch, they can easily do that from the cab without having to do a lot of exterior manual lifting and those types of processes. So great customer experience when it comes to 2150S and that row spacing changeover. All right, so 2150S, we want to talk productivity, and we look at both seed and liquid carrying capacities have been increased over our current offerings on a narrow row spacing planter. And so 50 bushel tanks for seed. Those are going to highlight individual scale capabilities. So for partial fills, customer can see how much is in that left tank and in that right tank on a 2150S for seed. And we look at liquid capabilities. So we've got a full line of liquid offering for both placement options and then the carrying capacity of 525 gallons. So increasing that customer's productivity, putting more seed in the ground, spending less time refilling that planter. So really that's a high-level overview of 2150S. Very excited to take it to the market here, and for more information, contact your local Case IH dealer or caseih.com.
Hi, my name's J.E. Cadle. I'm the mid-range tractor marketing manager for Case IH. Standing in front of our Puma 165, we've got a lot of nice updates on this tractor. We've also got the same updates on our multi-controller Maxim. So let's talk about a few of them. The first thing you'll notice is a brand new set of steps leading into the tractor. So it's an aluminum, Case IH style step you're familiar with, like on Magnums and Steigers. We've got them in the Maxim and Puma lineup as well. We've got a nice Case IH branding plate right there as you enter the cab. Once you get into the cab, there's some really nice changes in there you'll notice. So the first thing is a low mount wiper. So we've got a brand new wiper on this tractor. It's mounted low, it's parked out of your way, it's got a bigger cleaning area. And then inside the cab we have a cool box. So it's a new feature, standard feature on these tractors. It's a hinged box, it opens up. You can put some water bottles in there, you can put your lunch in there. You keep it cool, keep it out of the way. It's got a vent, air conditioning vent that runs through it. You can turn on and off, so it's a really nice feature inside the cab. A couple other things in there. We've got a thicker headliner, just better sound quality in the cab. We've got a brand new optional monitor bar. Comes with some USB ports standard in it. You can put RAM mounts on it for like an iPad or your phone. So it's a really nice design there. A brand new rear view mirror, so it's a little smaller rear view mirror. It's mounted out of your way and just has a sleek design, really nice looking rear view mirror inside there. We also updated our new advanced loader joystick, so we can now shift gears and change directions right from our loader joystick. We've got some other changes all over the cab on the outside as well. So we got LED safety lighting, so the beacons, the egress lighting, the marker lights here on the side are LED, so nice, clean, brighter lights with the safety lighting. We've got a new elastic hood closing rope. So the hood rope, when you close it, opens it very wide, doesn't pinch in the hood when you close it. We've kind of cleaned up the back end of the tractor. with the hydraulic hoses where you plug those in the back. So we got a new place to hang the top link on the 3-point mount. Got a nice plate back there, looks very nice. So really a lot of nice changes again on the short wheelbase Puma 150, 165 models. And then the Max and multi-controller models also have these changes. So for more information on these updates, visit CaseIH.com or stop by your local dealer.